Kani kadai ka Batisi TV, bat pidang pet ya ka kubor baman kasni, belawan rasha pi da ka umrupa, ringkat bat ka orange Nissan, lom sopo near Fire Brigade Shillong.
New Nissan Kicks. Bookings open now.
Ka KC Lights kabalong ka kunhun Rwai jong ka Kiddies Corner Secondary School Shillong kabala job house nam arjar khat praya ka Jingïakop Rwai jong ka International Choir Competition Grand Prix kabala long hagari Thailand house nam arjar khat pra menta ka kenti kala syakot ngubha ban Ïashim Bynta pat saha ka Jingïakop Rwai jong ka 8 International Choir Singing Competition kaban salong haga nongba Bale jong ka Indonesia. Kani ka kunhun Rwai jong ka school Kiddies Corner Secondary School Shillong kabadon arfu ingut kinong Rwai kibadai ki kena pule jong kani ka school kin sami na nongba Shillong ha ka arfu tarik mentau benai naitung arjar khat khandai hapo ka Jingïakop jong headmaster jong ka school uba Brian Walang jong ka union kala dawai ki bor penia jong ka GVK EMRI 108 bala da kim snap ki jing dawa ka sel kamban seven yang biteng baik ki jing sangat cari kangkong lemput sni ban penpai skor ya ki bor penia
preparations ni Bynta Leit tom naya naangkat ke Bynta mo sa choir Bynta kapor ni hakiki parang nila kinai ni phani yang di tang mini ki kemeki pa jing ni kila ai kababha tam mengi ba ko I'm pretty much excited, to be honest. We don't get this kind of opportunities. I mean, we're just little ones who have been given the opportunity to actually go abroad and, experience new things, new life, and a new lifestyle as well. So I'm very much excited, and we are all so excited. Well, we gave our all, and we are very much confident, and we know that. Well, I'm not really sure, but I know that we're gonna do well, and we're gonna give our 100%. So yeah.
Well, we really practice hard, and now since we're done with all our songs, we're rehearsing, and yeah, it's actually going well. So we're really excited for this competition, and yeah, we can't wait to reach them. We're trying our best now, so it's going to be a really hard time, competing with them. I mean, it will be really good too. So we're just going to sing our hearts out, yeah, and do our best.
We're a bit nervous because we'll be going up against world-class choirs, and we're just a small town choir, as to say, coming from a small school. But we hope that we can do our best and just make India proud, and really just sing our hearts out loud and tell people about the culture that we bring, that even we are Indians and that we're different, but we're also still Indians.
It's one of our dreams since last year actually to go for this program, but since we could not receive the funding that was required, we were sure to I tried our level best to do so this year, even though we haven't collected the amount that is required, but I'm sure by the end of the year our fundraising efforts we'll be able to reach the target. But getting our children onto the stage, and we will be the first choir from India ever to perform at the Bali festival, and we're really looking forward to it because there are many choirs which are coming from around the world which we really look up to, and meeting them and being with them this time is going to be something so different. And I'm proud actually because many of these children, it's going to be their first time traveling with us. There are many new members this time because those who are in class 10, they've passed out, so we had to take new members. So it's going to be their first experience, and as I said earlier, nothing better than traveling and being able to live that experience instead of sitting in a classroom and just learning from books, because what you get from this experience is never going to be got in any textbook. And I'm so happy that we've worked hard, but this time we had a very, very short period to prepare because there were many other things which happened in the family. So we just really want to go there and make Khasis proud by the Khasi songs that we're going to sing, let everyone know that there is this small place in the northeastern part of India where people are different, but we are also Indian, but also have beautiful voices. And so we want to share this message with everyone out there, everyone who's there in Bali. And so far there are around 330 plus choirs that are going to be participating this time. So it's going to be a huge competition. And the good thing, I don't know whether it's good or scary, but they've put us in the championship category already. So we don't have to go through the first rounds. Because of last year winning the 2 gold medals in the overall champion, they've put us into the championship category, which is going to be, I think, a very difficult task for us, but the children are very determined to do well, and I really want also our state to be on that world map of choirs where they say there are many young choirs in Shillong which are doing fantastic work, like the Rwai choir, that we have our choir here. And we really want this to happen because I think this is a fantastic opportunity for children. Because at the end of the day, I'm not sure how many of them, they may take it up as a profession. And today music can be a profession, the performing arts can be a profession. And that is something which I really wish was included in our syllabus, where they learnt music, so parents will also allow the children to take it a little more seriously. Right now, it's not like that, it's about just academics, and music is not a part of that. It's just an extracurricular kind of an activity. So yeah, so we just ask everyone in our state to pray for us, so that we will be able to give our best and make our state, our families, and also our country proud. This year we are also taking part in the teenage category and the folk category. So teenage category, they have an age limit that's up to 19 years old, 18, 19. But for the folk, it's an open competition. So that's where I really want to do well. I want our folk music to be really good. So this year we thought of, I'm doing 2 Khasi songs, and we thought we'll introduce another language from the Northeast. So we've chosen a song from Nagaland where they do the Naga chanting and stuff. It's an Ao song, which is sounding really beautiful right now. So yeah, just wish us luck. Competition organized by a company from Czechoslovakia. It was called the Grand Prix of Nations.
It's in Bali itself?
No, it was in Thailand last year. That's a different company. And we've also been invited next year to the World Choir Games in Belgium. But that's going to be a very expensive affair, so I'm not really sure whether we'll be able to do that. But besides that, we've been also invited to Singapore in November. We were invited to South Korea in January. We were invited to Vietnam, but funding is the biggest problem for us. And I think for everybody in our state who's into the performing arts or sports people, it's very hard to get funds for us. I mean, for the people like this who are really doing well in other fields. So I just hope that one day we'll be able to get that funding, and they have a department which will support young boys and girls who have this talent, so that they can go out and show their talent, also come back with that experience and help other young boys to follow that dream. Because when the young people see them, at least it'll be kind of a role model for them. So, because I'm saying these things really keep young people focused. See, now we're having a summer break and they've sacrificed 2 weeks of their holidays to be here. It just shows how much, if a young person's interested, how much they will go for to do. And I think it's a lovely way to use your time. There are so many other distractions today, but music is something which will get children to be able to be more focused. Art, performing arts. These things I think should be encouraged in schools, and our government, I think in our education system, should be encouraged. Because then you're helping young people to follow their dreams. Because today in our syllabus we just have everything for a person who's into academics. So if you're creative, if you're into fashion, or if you're into music or into dance, you're an artist, there's no space for you. You're not considered to be a good student. Because we have only arts, science, commerce today. We don't have performing arts schools, we don't have fine arts schools. So I think that needs to be done, because we have the talent here. It's like boundless. We have so much of talent, but I don't know. It's sad that once they finish school, colleges now they don't encourage that anymore, so it just dies. Because we have the talent here, we have so much. But imagine a kid who's interested in this has to go and learn physics and chemistry and maths, sitting there in the classroom every day. It doesn't want them to be the best. So if you want the best from the children, you should give them that opportunity to do what they love. And I'm sure they will never let the parents down. Because when you're doing what you want, you will have a passion for it and you'll work hard. Right now I asked many of our children how many of your parents love going to the office. And they came and most of them said no, because it's not challenging. And if something which you love, whether you're getting up at 5 o'clock in the morning, they won't mind because it's something they love to do. For a boy who loves football, he'll go and do it. You don't have to tell him go. But studies, you have to carry on telling him go, go, go. And I agree that academics is important, but I think we have to have also these other subjects there for them to choose from. Because if you look around the world, I'm saying if you love music, you specialize in that and you do the other subjects. Like a ex-student of mine, her daughter's in Singapore. She loves maths, so she's doing maths and she's doing English, piano and tennis. Class 5, 4 subjects. So they'll excel in that. So I think we should give them opportunities because I think when they're able to do what they love, our state will never, you'll never say unemployment, you'll never say dropouts because they're doing what they love. Even tourism, that way I'm saying. There's so much we can do in schools. We don't have a subject here in school where tourism is concerned. Cooking, confectionery, all that should be there. Because I think I think the field is open for everyone. Not like before where doctors, engineers and lawyers were the best. Today it's open. And I think everyone can earn from it. And parents are worried about that, children earning money. So, but if they're not, not many are realizing the happiness factor, which is more important.
So this will solve all the unemployment issues?
In a large way, yes. It might not totally solve it, but it will help in a large scale, at a large scale, sorry.